Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by exporting the voicemail audio so you can actually edit it. You cannot edit in place inside phone. Once you find the voicemail, tap Share and choose Files or Voice Memos. Make sure the file finishes saving before moving on. Why? Because an editable copy is required to trim or splice audio. Once done, open Voice Memos for quicker trimming or files to duplicate the original. This step creates a working copy you control, which is the only practical route. Now edit the copy. In Voice Memo, select the file and tap the three dots, then Edit Recording. Use Trim to cut dead space or Split to remove a phrase, and press Done to save a new version. You can rename the clip for clarity. Once edited, export it back to Files if you want multiple copies, or keep it in Voice Memos so it's easy to replay. This gives you a polished audio clip to use as a replacement greeting. To complete the swap, open Phone Voicemail Greeting and choose Custom, then Record. Play the edited audio on the same iPhone speaker or a nearby device while recording. Speak nothing else. This captures the edited clip as your new greeting. Once recorded, tap Stop and then Save. Make sure to play back the greeting from voicemail to confirm clarity and volume. Troubleshooting tip: if recording sounds muffled, increase speaker volume.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.